Welcome to my YouTube channel HLGRAPHICS, where creativity meets precision. Join me on an artistic journey as I unravel the fascinating world of Adobe Illustrator. In today's tutorial, we'll embark on a unique project, transforming a simple square into a visually stunning masterpiece. Watch as we meticulously carve the square into 4 distinct pieces using the versatile eraser tool. With the grace of the type tool, we'll breathe life into our design by adding carefully crafted words. Elevating our artwork to new heights, the envelope distort feature becomes our artistic ally, enabling us to seamlessly integrate these words into the fragmented canvas. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Illustrator and elevate your design skills one creative tutorial at a time. Take a copy of the design and place it to the side, and take another copy which we will scale down to a very small size and place it on top of it. Dive into the world of dimension with Illustrator's Blend tool, effortlessly crafting a mesmerizing 3D appearance in just a few clicks. Elevate your designs with seamless blends that add depth and sophistication to your artistic creations. Expand, please. Now we'll take the copy of the design on the side and set it on top and choose any color that's perfect for it. Harmonize your color palette with ease as we adapt to the backdrop, in this case, a pristine white canvas. Feel free to customize your hues to match your preferences. Imagine your design coming to life in 3D, transforming a simple concept into a vibrant and personalized masterpiece for your shirt. Feel the freedom to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Your support fuels the creative journey, and I can't wait to share more insights and tutorials with you. Join the community, let's create and learn together.